1. The 10 most common daily English words. 1. Hello, meaning merhaba. Pronunciation, he-lo. Sentence, hello, my name is Ali. 2. Yes, meaning evet. Pronunciation, yes. Sentence, yes, I understand. 3. No, meaning hayır. Pronunciation, no. Sentence, no. 4. Please, meaning lütfen. Pronunciation, please. Sentence, please help me. 5. Thank you, meaning teşekkür ederim. Pronunciation, thank you. Sentence, thank you very much. 6. Goodbye, meaning hoşça kal. Pronunciation, goodbye. Sentence, goodbye, see you later. 7. Book, meaning kitap. Pronunciation, book. Sentence, this is a book. 8. Pen, meaning kalem. Pronunciation, pen. Sentence, I have a blue pen. 9. Water, meaning su. Pronunciation, water. Sentence, I drink water. Food, meaning yiyecek. Pronunciation, food. Sentence, I love good food.